from the bones of mountains to the veins of machines. Part 2. The science of sand. It isn't just the remains of broken stone. It's the soul of the modern world. Most of it is quartz, forged over millions of years. Inside quartz is silicon, the element that powers every screen, every sensor, and every satellite orbiting above. From desert dust to data streams, we melt sand into the circuits that drive civilization. Some grains carry magnetite, tiny compasses, preserving the memory of Earth's shifting magnetic field. Others are fossils in disguise, crushed coral and ancient shell, whispers of long-lost oceans. And even here, life exists. Microbes cling to individual grains, surviving in extreme conditions. Today we're learning to harness that power, using bacteria to fuse sand into living bricks. Grain by grain, engineers are reimagining sand, sculpting particles with lasers, crafting artificial grains for cleaner, smarter construction. This isn't just dust beneath our feet. It's memory, machinery, biology, a force reshaping the world. Born from destruction, became the foundation of life, and now it stands at the edge of reinvention. Up next, the future of sand. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.